Now we're going to learn the blanket stitch, which is one of the most useful stitches. I use it not only in hand embroidery, but also in some of my sewing projects to finish the edges of these projects. So let me show you how to do it.
We're going to do the blanket stitch now. So you can kind of see we've outlined for you a little bit of direction on what to do. You can skip this first line here. We're going to come at the base of that line with our thread up, and then we're going to come to the top of the opposite line. So we're making a little diagonal, and we're going to leave kind of a loop here. So we went from here to here. Now we're going to come up to the base of that second line. Our needle's coming up through the base right here in this corner, and we're going to pull, and it makes kind of this L shape. Then we're going to pop to the opposite side over here, bring it down, come up through the base here. Make sure that this loop we left gets tucked inside here, and so we're going to pull our thread and make that L. Now I use a lot of blanket stitching in when I sew like fleece or felt pieces together for ornaments. That's one of the big things when I'm putting two layers together. I'll put them together with a blanket stitch. It's one of my favorites. So make a loop, come up, and then pull to make that L. And then one last one, across, make the loop, go in the corner, pull. And then we'll put it down through that same spot to kind of finish off those blanket stitches. This is kind of what a blanket stitch looks like.
And now that is the last stitch that you need to know in order to do some of these basic hand embroidery stitches. If you are interested in learning more, make sure to go check out our hand embroidery guide. It's a free download. There's a link down in the description. You'll get tips and tricks along with lists of everything you need to get started. The download also gives you a stitch sampler, which helps you with videos like this so that you can practice some of those stitches before you start on projects. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions down in the description, and we will see you in the next video.